Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths.
This question is on reciprocal graphs and we're going to look at the keywords in this question. And the first keyword is the word complete, and we've got to complete this table for 1 mark. So basically we've got to fill in the missing value. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer, then press play to listen to the answer. So we've got the equation y equals 6 over x. And we've got to work out the missing y value. So you're told x values along the top, and then we've got to work out the x value. So for example, if x is -6, 6 divided by -6 gives me -1, which is why y is -1 underneath it. We've got to work out when x is -2. So if x is -2, y is 6 divided by -2, which is -3. So all you've got to do is write -3 in the box. The next part of the question, we've got to draw the graph. Okay, so the equation we've just worked out the values for, we've now got to draw that graph, and that is worth 3 marks. Press pause, draw out the graph and see if you can work out what the axis is going to look like, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. So to draw the graph, we take each point separately. So the coordinates -6, -1 is the first point we're going to plot. So you go 6 along the corridor, so that's 6 to the left as it's -6, and 1 down. So you put a cross at that point there. The next coordinate is the coordinate -3, -2. So that's 3 to the left and 2 down we put a cross at. The next coordinate is -2, -3. So we go 2 to the left and 3 down. Then we've got the coordinate -1, -6. So that's 1 to the left and 6 down. And we can do the same on the other side. So we've got 1, 6 as a coordinate, 2, 3, 3, 2. And the last coordinate is 6, 1. Once you've plotted all these points, you've got to join them together to make a smooth curve. And we're going to get 2 different curves in here. So we get 2 curves on each side, and they're both going to form asymptotes at the x-axis and the y-axis. So the curve will never hit the x-axis or the y-axis. And that was worth 3 marks. The mark scheme shows where the marks are awarded on this question, and it shows that you can get the full marks for stating, for plotting the points correctly, and then also for drawing a smooth curve to get the 3 marks on this question. The mark scheme on this question shows that for part A you needed to write down -3 for 1 mark, and part B you had to draw the correct graph to get 3 marks on this question. The curve must be joined and not touch either of the axes. And lower down it says B2, which is 2 marks for 7 or 8 points plotted correctly, and B1 is 1 mark for 5 or 6 points plotted correctly. FT is a follow-through mark for getting for the value that you used if you made a mistake on part A. So if you used your answer, then you can still get the method marks on that.
If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below to let me know what you would like to see in my next video. See you next time!